In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bookmark in Adobe Acrobat Reader. Bookmarks are an incredibly useful feature, especially when working with lengthy documents, as they allow you to easily navigate and organize your information. Whether you're compiling a report, reading an ebook, or just keeping track of important information within a large PDF, the bookmarking feature can significantly enhance your workflow. So let's dive right in. First, open your Adobe Acrobat Reader application. Once you're on the home page, you will see an option to click on a recent work or create a new one. This step is about finding the document you want to add bookmarks to. If you have been working on a document recently, it should appear in your recent files. So go ahead and click on the recent item, which is likely the document you wish to continue with or make certain improvements to. Once your document is open, the next step is to highlight the text you want to bookmark. To do this, simply click and drag your mouse over the portion of the text that you want to save as a bookmark. It's critical to ensure that you've selected exactly the part you need, as this will help you jump right back to where you need the next time you open the document. Now, with the text highlighted, position your cursor over the selected area and right-click your mouse. This action will bring up a context menu with several options to choose from. You'll want to look for the Add Bookmark option in this menu. Go ahead and click on Add Bookmark. Once you've done this, you'll notice that a new bookmark appears in the sidebar of your file on the left-hand side. This bookmark will be your key for easy access to this part of the document moving forward. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can effectively mark sections of your PDF documents in Adobe Acrobat Reader, ensuring you can always find your way back to important content with just a click. This feature can save you a lot of time and make your reading experience much more convenient, especially when working with extensive and intricate files. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget that with practice, this process will become second nature. If you have any other questions about using Adobe Acrobat Reader, or if you have suggestions for future tutorials, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.